Hello, sweet little friends! It's Luccy here. Today, Lucy is going to build a cute little model with you and explore 3 amazing animal worlds together. Wild animals in the green forest, gentle farm animals, and ocean animals swimming happily in the blue sea. Now, open your bright little eyes, listen very carefully, and let's play and learn together with Lucy. Let's start by spreading the blue papers to make a cool blue ocean. Next, Lucy places a green land piece on top, then sprinkles some yellow sand around it for a beach. After that, Luccy lines up colorful little pebbles along the edge of the water. Wow! A soft pink sand area appears, perfect for our friendly farm animals. Now Luccy pours shiny blue slime into the ocean. Look, the sea is coming to life. Then, Lucy adds a few small rocks and tall green pine trees with an ancient stone pillar standing nearby. Along the beach, Luccy decorates with starfish, seashells, and some tiny plants. Next, Luccy places palm trees and round wooden steps to connect the land to the sea, like a sweet little walkway. Then, Luccy adds coral and sea plants to the blue ocean. Finally, Lucy places the farmhouse, fruit trees, shelves, and bushes all around to finish the model. And now, the scenery is ready! Let's invite the animals to come and play! Owl. The owl is a nighttime bird. Its big round eyes help it see in the dark. Owls fly very quietly. They like sitting on tall trees. Owls help catch mice in the forest. They look serious but are very smart. Giraffe. The giraffe has a very, very long neck. Its neck helps it eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffes have long legs and can run fast. Their spots look like beautiful paintings. Giraffes live peacefully in groups. They are the tallest animals on land. Pandas have cute black and white fur. They love eating bamboo. Pandas eat slowly and enjoy sitting while eating. They are gentle and calm. Pandas sleep a lot to save energy. Pandas are rare animals. Tiger. The tiger is a big and powerful cat. Its stripes help it hide in the forest. Tigers have sharp teeth and claws. They run fast and hunt well. Tigers usually live alone. They are called the king of the jungle. Flamingo. Flamingos have pretty pink feathers. Their legs are long and thin. They often stand on one leg. Their pink color comes from their food. Flamingos live in big groups. They fly beautifully in the sky. Deer. Deer have big antlers on their heads. Antlers help them protect themselves. Deer run fast and are very careful. They like quiet forests. They eat grass and leaves. Deer look gentle and graceful. Macaw. Macaws have bright, colorful feathers. They fly well and love climbing. They have strong, curved beaks. Macaws live happily in groups. They can copy sounds. They are smart and curious. Parrot. Parrots are very colorful. They like seeds and fruit. They use their feet to hold food. Parrots love talking and calling each other. They can learn simple words. They are friendly when cared for. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears that hear very well. They hop quickly and softly. They love carrots and green vegetables. Rabbits are gentle and cute. They live in small burrows. They are scared of loud noises. Monkey. Monkeys are smart and playful. They are great climbers. They use their hands like people. They love fruit. Monkeys live in groups. They are always curious. Capybara. Capybaras are big rodents. They are excellent swimmers. They live near rivers and lakes. They eat grass and water plants. They are gentle and social. They look chubby and adorable. Geckos can change their skin color. They climb walls easily. Their feet stick very well. They eat small insects. They are active at night. They make special clicking sounds. Goats have curved horns. They are great at climbing. They eat grass and leaves. Goats live in groups. They are active and curious. Goats give us milk. Chickens have colorful feathers. Roosters crow in the morning. Chickens eat grains and insects. They live close to people. They lay eggs. They are common farm animals. Pigs have round bodies. They are very smart. They love rolling in mud. They eat many kinds of food. They are gentle animals. Pigs are common farm animals. Farm rabbits are small. They have soft fur. They love vegetables. They have babies quickly. They are easy to care for. Kids love them. Mice are tiny and fast. They have sharp front teeth. They run very quickly. They live near people. They eat seeds and leftovers. They are clever. Ducks have webbed feet. They swim very well. They say quack, quack. They live near ponds. They eat plants and insects. They are farm animals. Dogs are people's best friends. They are very loyal. They have a great sense of smell. They love to run and play. They help guard homes. They love their owners. Sheep have thick wool. Their wool makes clothes. They eat grass. They are gentle animals. They live in groups. They like cool weather. Geese have long necks. They honk loudly. They swim well. They protect their group. They live near water. They are farm animals. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have T-shaped heads. Their heads help them see better. They swim very fast. They are hunters. They live in deep oceans. They are very strong. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up big. They look funny. They have poison. They swim slowly. They live in the sea. They protect themselves by puffing up. Killer whale. Killer whales are very smart. They live in groups. They hunt together. They swim fast. They talk with sounds. They are top ocean hunters. Crab. Crabs have big claws. They walk sideways. They live near beaches. They have hard shells. They hide in sand. They are quick. Shrimp. Shrimp have clear bodies. They swim with their tails. They live in water. They eat tiny bits of food. They move quickly. They are ocean animals. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs borrow shells. They change shells as they grow. They are shy. They live near the sea. Shells protect them. They look very funny. Seahorse. Seahorses swim upright. They look like tiny horses. They swim slowly. They hold onto sea plants. They are very small. They are special animals. Starfish. Starfish look like stars. They live on the ocean floor. They move slowly. They can grow new arms. They come in many colors. They are beautiful. Wow, our animal model is finished! Thank you for exploring the forest, farm, and ocean worlds with Luccy. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye-bye!